Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si Jor Makinay. And today, we will be reviewing the very expensive and very high quality, very high-end FJS M4A1. Beautiful. This unit is actually for repair from a client from Cabuyao here in Laguna. And all I can say this one is it's wonderful. It's really different from all the M4A1s that I've held that are gel blasters. I've held mostly airsoft, and this is the common design, but in gel blasters, it's fairly new. Start first, the quality. This one is a nylon and metal combination. Metal buffer tube, metal aluminum handguard with fake what do you call this one? Heat guard, plastic front sight, plastic outer barrel, plastic flash hider, metal magazine, and metal switches. Yes, metal trigger, metal sling mount. This one, this one is plastic. And metal charging handle. So, it's really premium. With, what the hell is this one? Bolt latch. Okay, so in terms of quality, it's really, really good. Oh, this one also. Etch. No, not etch. This is not etch. Injection molding based on the design when it was created, so it's really premium. It's nice, really nice. And also in the magazine, the fake printed markings, the usual fake safe semi full auto, so really nice. Also on the rails, the markings regarding the location, so quite nice. Left, right, top, and bottom. Next one, this is the trades and the features. It has a working bolt latch, but this is currently broken, so the latch is stuck here. It's still need to open this one. It has most probably a 480 motor, and it's adjustable, so that's nice regarding the motor height. Battery space. It's the usual very limited buffer tube. So your battery options are limited. The wires are a little bit too thin also. But it's the usual crane stock. And this is removable, so you can get a quality LiPo battery, which nunchuck LiPo style, or chiclet type will fit here well. BB capacity, it's the standard M4 mag, which is, I think this is Gen 8 compatible. Let's see, Gen 8 mag. Yes, it's compatible, but it's a little bit too tight, so keep that in mind. Weight, extremely heavy. This is 2 kilos. So, for those who want to say, I want to have all metal, very realistic guns, this is for you. It's 2 kilos. I think this is only 1 kilo something, so it's like double of this one. So, let's see how strong you are in the game. You can get tired playing with this one the whole day. This one, easily, you get tired. Upgrades. This is a standard version 2 gearbox, so you will have, the gearbox is nylon. So you will have lots of options regarding upgrading this one. So as long as you have money, you can upgrade this one. Although I would not recommend doing the max upgrade because I'm not so sure yet if this is the standard V2 type gearbox. I don't know if this is Jingji or what's the other one? The expensive split gearbox. SLR, no. I forgot that gearbox. The orange colored one. If it will fit this one. Because the problem with gel blasters is what I keep saying is they're usually non-standard. So what's fit for FJS might only fit FJS. As you can see, the magazine is different. The standard Gen A doesn't fix this one. Metal. It's hitting my ring. Since this is broken, I don't know the FPS. Probably it's around 200 FPS. That's the common, what do you call that one? Common China grade gel blasters. It also has a aluminum barrel. I think the last unit that I've repaired, the one with the broken charging handle, that's also FJS. It looks very similar to this one. Oh, the only difference is the front handguard, but the body is very similar. Range, this is broken. I don't know what's the range. It will probably hit the 10-meter mark. Price, oof. I don't know how expensive this one, but this is FJS. And this is premium everything. Metal, aluminum handguards, and aluminum tubes, and metal mags. This is probably more than 6,000 to 8,000 plus. It's really premium. Although, one thing I've noticed that since the weight is situated here, it's a little bit front heavy. So I would recommend getting a grip or something that will help you hold it, because if you're only holding it one hand, your wrist will get tired easily. I can feel the strain. So not for easily one-handed firing like this. No, it will be two-handed. Overview. It's a beautiful unit. For those who want the realism, this is for you. But then again, we're playing a kids game, and personally, I don't like it to be totally realistic, and especially this is all black. It's very risky that you might get what's the right term? Misidentified and you get shot, or you do something horrendous with this one. See, it looks so real. Most probably this video will get demonetized because it looks like I'm showing a real gun, but it's not. It is a toy. It's a toy. See, toy. But anywho, it's your money. If you want to buy something expensive, this is your chance. And realistic. Okay? Do whatever you want. Although it's heavy. Really heavy. Well, it's theirs. Since I'll be fixing this, you will see a repair video regarding this one also when it's done. And also the firing again when it's done. Okay? Anywho, if you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section down below. I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam! Ching!